Video I'm going to be going over my TradingView settings. We'll hop right into it. So I have my three chart setup here. You can do that just by going to here. I'm pretty sure you can get this 3 chart for free, and I have it so my crosshair goes along every part, like every chart. So I have that set up. For this time sequence, I have the weekly over here, so my biggest time frame, my intermediate time frame. I'm a supply and demand trader, so that's what we use, 3 time frames. So my intermediate, which is my daily, and then my entry time frame, which is the 240, the 4 hour. So yeah, when I'm trading, I'm looking at the big picture over here, then the intermediate picture, and then this is where I'm entering trades. So yeah, that's my 3 chart layout. I have my watch list over here. The watch list comes like this, and I just kind of find this like too busy, so I just click here and I just want to see the change in percentage. Not that I even pay attention to that, but I don't know, I just find it kind of looks nice. You got the colors over here. So yeah, this is my watch list. I started off with all my pairs in alphabetical order. So I trade Forex and Commodities. So over here I have all my pairs that I watch, and then I separate them with this purple color, so I just can quickly see. So Forex pairs, currency futures, metals and other commodities, and then the S&P 500 and US 2000, the Russell 2000, all that stuff. So I separate my watch list with this purple thing. It's for just easier to look at. So yeah, my Forex pairs on here, I'll mark them with green. Like right now I'm watching this one because I marked it with green here. You just simply you can mark it any color you want, blue, whatever. I marked it green because it means I'm looking for a buy down in this area here. Price is almost there. So that's kind of how I pay attention to that. So I have all my Forex pairs here, then I have my currency futures here as well, separated by this purple here, and then I got my metals here, and I have gas, oil, wheat, sugar, corn, soybeans. Then I have the S&P 500 all the way down here. I got the VIX as well, and then I have some stocks down here. This gold or yellow marker means I own it. So that's how I mark that, and I just have a bunch of stocks on here that I'm watching as well. And like, let's just say I took a trade here, right? Let's just say my buy order is right here, so it's sitting in the market. Let's just say I put a trade in. I'll put that as blue. That's a marker for me knowing like, oh, it's pending. Like my order's pending. And then when I own it, like let's just say my order fills, then I switch it to gold, so I know I'm in a trade. But yeah, that's what I do with that. So yeah, that's how I separate my watch list. Keeps it kind of organized. I already know what I'm looking for. Forex pairs, free futures, metals, commodities, and stocks down here. Just keeps it very simple for me to find everything I'm looking for. So, and then up here I have my buy and sell panel. I guess I don't even really use that, but at least it shows the spread for me here, which I do look at. And then I have all my favorites up here for tools. For that, you can just go into here. Let's just say you want forecast, add to favorites. Now it's over here. I don't want that, so I'm gonna get rid of it. But yeah, I organized that with my most common tools first that I use here. Yeah, and then you can move this around. I like to just have it right at the top. I know some people like to have it in the middle, which I might start doing. I don't know, or in the bottom. You can put it wherever you want. And then let's just say I do use templates. So let's just say I want to make this box that I did. Take my box. Wait, let me just do this first. So let's just pretend it's yellow for now. So let's just say, oh, I want to buy down here. So I mark that out, and then this is a huge part of my work as well here. This is like my template area, and I have this locked up here. Pretty sure it's locked. maybe not. Wait, yeah, locked. I have it locked up here. Like you can lock this anywhere you want, like in the middle, but I like to just have all my drawing things up here. So I locked it up here, because then I'll go to here, demand zone, and it'll switch for me here. Just makes it quick. Everything's up here. Let's just say, oh, I want to change this color. I just go up here. Yeah, can change the color really quick. That's templates. I have another video about templates on my channel for using them. It just makes everything way faster to use. So yeah, that's my drawing, my little drawing area over here. I don't really ever use this at all unless I'm using some random tool I haven't used in a while. But yeah, that's kind of my settings. Like my buy areas, I have black, and then my shorting areas are where I'm taking profits. I usually keep it red. Doesn't really matter. Just it's kind of a quick visual. Yeah, I mean that's pretty much. Oh, actually, so this is my one sequence that I used: the weekly, daily, and the 240, the 4-hour. And then I already have it open, but I have multiple different ones. I have the daily 4-hour, 1 hour. I have a scalping one, which is a 4-hour, 1 hour, 15. I have a special layout for journaling, and then I have a special one for stock investing, which I don't really use. Could probably even get rid of it. But yeah, let's just say I want to switch time frames. Instead of switching all these charts around, I'll just click on this. It's already open, but you click on that. Now, this is a whole other chart layout and everything. Like none of this drawing has saved. But yeah, now it's the daily, 4-hour, and the 1 hour. So yeah, so I can quickly switch back and forth from here to here if I want, which makes it just really fast. So it's important to have different layouts saved so you can switch between time frames, what kind of trades you want to do if you want. This is more my long-term trading, and you know, for day trades I'm on this one. And then if I want to have a scalping one open, sometimes this won't load if you have too many, but looks like it's working. I have my scalping one here, so 4-hour, 1 hour, 15. So I can quickly switch through all of these. So, oh, want to look at swing trading there. Want to look at scalping today there. Just a couple day trades here. So yeah, that's all up here in the chart layouts. You can start a whole new chart layout. That's another thing too, I guess I should talk about. I like to have these colors, red and black. I don't know, I just like them. These are my settings for those colors. I don't know why I like it, I just do. I'll probably switch it up soon. And then I like to have this, I made this purple right here. You can have a line, but I don't like to have the line. So I just made it purple here so I can see, you know, what the price is here, where price is at. So yeah, those are basically all my settings that are important. If you guys have any questions, just leave them in the comments down below, and I'll try to answer them. And maybe I'll make a video if you guys need me to go in more depth of how I do everything and how I set everything up. Like, cause I'm just going over generically here how my settings are, not how to actually do them all. So if you want specific answers, just leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you. Thanks.